masyado aron mag-English. Pwede mo mag-Tagalog muna tayo.
Whatever, man. If the super hears you talking like that, you'll be in big trouble. I'm serious, man.
Ganon? Pag ako nagsalita ng...
Definitely, man. Hey, quiet. Here she comes again.
English only, please.
Yeah. Hey. Excuse me. Hello? Hello? Inay! Esther! Mother!
Damn.
Mother! How are you down there in the mountain province? I can't speak Tagalog already in Manila. Ano po? What? What? Speak English or my supervisor will hear you.
Words, man.
Yes, your words. Ano? Si Itay nahulog sa bangin? The father fell down in the rolling hills? Father rolled down in the rolling hills? Oh, that's sad, really. Oh, come on. Mother, is he dead? Is he dead? As in no life at all? Okay, I'll send money, about 2,000 pieces of them. Yes, ma. Bye-bye. Yun nga ang gusto ko sabihin, ma'am eh. Ang hirap naman ng ganito. Kailangan ko mag-English. Hindi nga ako masyado marunong mag-English eh. Mga Pilipino tayo, di ba dapat siguro Tagalog ang salita natin, di ba? Tagalog dapat ang salita natin. Mga Pilipino tayo.
I'm sorry, but not in here. This is a call center. I am sorry. I cannot argue with you anymore. This is a call center. You're supposed to talk in English.
Yan! O tulad yan! Yang pulubing yan! Yang mamang yan! Yan!
What about
Kuskusing
you?
taong yan! Pati ba naman yan? Kailangan yung i-require, ha? Na magsalita ng English. Sige. Pakita mo sa kanya ng Pilipino. Sige, magsalita ka ng tango. Mahirapan niya mag-English eh. Sige, magsalita ka.
Pardon me, please? Are you talking to me? No, I'm sorry, you talking to me? What do you mean that I'm gonna have a hard time speaking with you people? Hey, I'm used to this stuff. Hey, what are you saying? What's your problem, man? Do you have any problem? What's wrong? English? Can you speak English? You could try, at least try. While you're at it, could you please spare me $1?
Hey, here's your
I
quarter.
need lunch, bro.
Here's your quarter. Right.
Thanks, bro. Hey, bro. English? It's cool. All right, see you guys.
All right.
Thanks. How about this bread? All right, thanks, guys.
Homework, go! My father died in the rolling hills.